your girl P to the E to the AC and E, and welcome back to my channel. If today is not your first time here, and if it's your first time here, oh, you're a goodie. I hope you enjoy my content and that you are urged to subscribe to my channel. And if you decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. But today I will be doing a review, but it's not going to be on clothes. It's actually hair. Yes, I'm going to do a hair review. So I wanted to get myself a human hair. I'm not really a wig kind of person, but since I started this natural hair stuff that I've actually been doing, I wanted to like get myself affordable wigs that I could wear. And you know, I see a lot of girls putting on wigs and they look amazing, and I'm like, okay, why don't I just go on AliExpress and find something? So I went on AliExpress and I got this wig from RXY hair. And I'm going to keep a picture of the wig in the description and everything. I think somewhere here or here, I can't really say, but this is like a 360 lace frontal wig, and it is actually pre-plucked with baby hair. So it's actually a Brazilian body wave wig, and I think it came very early, I'm not gonna deny. At first I got a message from Dad saying that it was like this holiday in China, so because of that the wig was gonna come a little bit late, and I didn't really bother because I was not really like so I'm not an impatient kind of person. Like I wasn't really like, oh, I need it today, tomorrow. So I was like, take your time, send it whenever you're ready. And the wig came, I think, barely a week later. It was shipped with DHL. It was super fast. The customer, not the customer, the seller was so nice. Like they kept on writing me at every single time. They kept updating me. And when the wig came, it came in this package right here. It is written RXY hair. I want to call it RXY hair, but RXY hair, but I'll call it RXY hair. RXY hair, 100% human hair wig. And at this side you see all their social media accounts. You know, it's RXY hair both on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. And at the back you pretty much have an idea of what your company is all about. Yeah, they put like the hair factory, they wrote strict quality control, better price, direct selling. Then you have the RXY hair team. Oh, that's cute. The professional customer service team, solve all problems for you in time. And they were like the RXY hair materials, and then they wrote from young girl donor with one directional cuticle to avoid tangle. And they wrote no chemical, so there's no chemical, like it doesn't have chemical, it's easy to process, and it holds up coils that last from 6 to 12 months depending on how you maintain the hair. So when I got that, I was like, oh wow, that's a lot of claim. So over here is just like the email and the WhatsApp number. But let's say that they were very good in connecting with me. I have actually opened this hair because I'm kind of like a very curious person. I opened it, so I pretty much know how it looks like, but I wanted to like share my review with you guys. Inside of it, the hair is inside a nylon like this, and there is oh, and there's this. It's an elastic band that you can use, and you know, sew it to the wig, so it's easier for you to like put on the wig. This is actually nice. This is like something I've always wanted to buy to use on all my other wigs. So you have this elastic band, which is super cute. It's nice. And I actually felt disappointed that there was no wig cap. Like I really wanted a wig cap because I can't find mine. Like mine, I can't find mine. And inside of the hair, okay, in here, this is the hair. So I ordered mine in 22 inches. So it retailed for like 140 something euros. Was it euros or was it pounds? Yeah, it was 140 something euros. Let's just say like round figure 150. Let me try and check for it. Just a second, guys. So yes, it was 140 something euros, and it's a 360 lace As you guys can see, it's 360 lace. It has, oh, okay, like it has these adjustable straps over here, and I love the fact that it has four of this is it hair clips? I don't really know what they call this, but I'm glad it has this. And it's the wavy, as a body wave. It's cute. Here it is. It's a little bit rough, guys, because I told you that I already opened it. I think on 2 occasions. One was the first time I opened it. The second time was when my friend wanted to see it. It is quite long. It is very long, guys. Very, very long. And yeah, it does have the baby hairs. Right now, I can't really like waste my time to install it because I have to get to work. So I'm just going to like put it on and then just show you guys, like, you guys have an idea of how it looks like. And then later on, I can do a video if you guys want to see. After I've worn it for like a month or let's say 2 weeks, if you guys are really interested, I could do a video, a follow-up video to tell you guys like how the hair is maintaining and things like that. It does not shed because so far I've been putting my hair and it doesn't shed. I've not gotten out any. It's very, very soft. Like, you guys look at how my hand glides through it. Like, it's very soft. It has no smell in particular. The baby hairs are already there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's already, the baby hairs are already in front. And I'm just gonna wear it right now, and then you guys can see how it looks like. And I pretty much will let you guys know if I like the volume, the density of the hair. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the hair and this is how it looks like. I did nothing to this hair. I've not even cut out the lace. Everything is just there. I just kind of like patted it to one side and just brushed it a little bit with my fingers just to see the fullness of the hair. But if you guys want to see me do a video where I actually like install the hair properly, glue it and cut it, and you know, you want to see like how the hair is holding up after a week or 2 or even a month of me having it on, I think I should do 2 weeks. Let me know and I would do an updated review on this hair. But right now it's just like a first impression, and so far so good. I am not mad. I think I'm really impressed. And mind you guys, I actually got blunt while I was working the other day. If you guys have things I can do to like take it off, let me know. Write it down for me in the comment section. And yeah, that's all. I love the hair. I just think it's so super duper 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 cute. It's just so cute. I like it. It makes me look so fly. Makes me look, doesn't that look good, guys? It's cute. Like, mind you, I've done nothing to this hair and it's this cute. So imagine I finally install it and I tongue it and I, you know, cut out the lace and I bring out the baby's hair and I do every other special thing to it. Like, it's gonna look more amazing. Well, anyway, if you guys want, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can go check out their hair. You can go to their site on ALIEXPRESS and shop if you're interested. If you're the one that wants to wait for me to do an updated review on this hair in 2 weeks time, let me know in the comment section, and by then I would have installed the hair and I'll tell you guys how the hair is holding up. So without much wasting of your time, I'm just gonna let you relax, get your popcorn, get your juice, watch other of my videos. You're already here, so you can just like, you know, just stay here and watch other videos. I have lots of videos. I'm gonna put one here, put another one here. Just keep on watching, and hey, please subscribe to my channel. Very, very, very important. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.